To disable the AEVIT OBD, first wake up the AEVIT system. The activation button can look different depending on the installation. Next, turn on the vehicle's ignition. Do not start the engine. Open the aux menu by tapping the aux menu icon. Select the OBD icon. A warning message will appear. Press the accept button to proceed. This will open the user status screen. Using the up and down arrows on the left of the screen, navigate to the AEVIT OBD disable. Once the AEVIT OBD disable is highlighted, press the plus button to toggle the setting to on. You are now able to plug in your scanner. If the vehicle is an older installation, you may need to unplug the OEM OBD connector, as these vehicles typically do not have a splitter. Once your scan is complete, reconnect the harness if needed and power AEVIT down. When AEVIT is rebooted, the settings will have automatically reverted to off.